Be strong.
How electric cars work.
Hey Leah, do you know how electric cars work?
Yes, Alex, I can explain. Electric cars use electric motors instead of gasoline engines.
Interesting. How do they get the electricity to power the motor?
They have large rechargeable batteries that store the electricity needed to run the car.
Oh, I see. How do you charge these batteries?
You can charge them at home or at public charging stations. It's similar to charging your phone.
That sounds convenient. How long does it take to charge an electric car?
It depends on the charger and the car. Some fast chargers can charge a car in about 30 minutes, while home chargers might take several hours.
Wow, that's pretty fast. How far can an electric car go on a single charge?
The range varies between different models, but many electric cars can travel 200 to 300 miles on a single charge.
That's impressive. Are there any other benefits to driving an electric car?
Yes, electric cars produce zero emissions, which is better for the environment. They also have lower operating and maintenance costs.
I didn't realize that. What about drawbacks? Are there any downsides to electric cars?
One downside is the limited charging infrastructure in some areas, but it's improving. Another is that electric cars can be more expensive upfront.
I can see how that could be an issue. Do you think electric cars will replace gasoline cars in the future?
It's possible. Many countries are setting targets to phase out gasoline cars and promote electric vehicles.
That's good to know. I've heard about something called regenerative braking. Can you explain what that is?
Sure, regenerative braking is a system that recovers energy normally lost during braking and uses it to recharge the car's battery.
That's a clever way to save energy. How does it work?
When you brake, the electric motor works in reverse, generating electricity that's stored in the battery. This helps to slow the car down.
That makes sense. Are there any other features unique to electric cars?
Some electric cars have one-pedal driving, which combines acceleration and braking in a single pedal. This can be more efficient and easier to use.
Interesting. How does one-pedal driving work?
When you press the pedal, the car accelerates, and when you release it, the car slows down using regenerative braking. It takes some getting used to, but many people like it.
That sounds like a useful feature. Are electric cars quieter than gasoline cars?
Yes, electric cars are generally much quieter because there's no combustion engine. However, they still make some noise, like tire and wind noise.
That must be nice for people living near busy streets. How do electric cars perform in terms of speed and acceleration?
Electric cars can have excellent performance. They often have faster acceleration than gasoline cars because electric motors provide instant torque.
That's cool. I've heard that some electric cars have a feature called Overtheair Updates. What is that?
Over-the-air updates allow electric car manufacturers to send software updates to the car wirelessly. This can improve performance, fix issues, or add new features.
That's impressive. It seems like electric cars have a lot of advantages. Do you think they will become more popular in the coming years?
Yes, I believe so. As technology improves and charging infrastructure expands, more people will likely choose electric cars over gasoline-powered ones.
It's exciting to think about how transportation is changing. I might consider getting an electric car in the future. Thanks for explaining everything to me, Leah.
You're welcome, Alex. I'm glad I could help. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.